गुड मॉर्निंग। कैसे हैं आप लोग? गुड मॉर्निंग हिमांशु, गुड मॉर्निंग भरत। गिफ्ट निफ्टी क्या बोल रहा है? 9 बज रहे हैं। गिफ्ट निफ्टी फ्लैट टू पॉजिटिव। ओके, फ्लैट टू पॉजिटिव। 496 पे है और 485 पे फ्यूचर्स क्लोज हुआ था। तो दैट्स अबाउट 10 पॉइंट्स अप। सो expecting it to be flat to positive, but initially in the morning we may see a downward pressure. अमित, गुड मॉर्निंग, हाउ आर यू? कोलकाता में बारिश शुरू हो गई कि नहीं? गुड मॉर्निंग महेश। भाई पहले ये बताइए, थंबनेल कैसा लगा? हाउ इज द थंबनेल ऑफ ट्रेड प्लान एज वेल एज लाइव? एंड इज दिस कैमरा एंड ऑडियो एनी बेटर? गुड मॉर्निंग शशि। हेलो अमल। हाउ डिड यू फाइंड द थंबनेल ऑफ ट्रेड प्लान एज वेल एज लाइव? Is this camera better? Am I sounding better? Audio, video, is it better? Good morning, Shravan. Amal, good morning. Himanshu says amazing. Thank you. बाकी लोग बताएं जरा, फीडबैक तो मालूम पड़े। Shravan says crystal clear. What is crystal clear? Audio or video? Thank you, Amal. Thank you so much. I hope it translates to money for you, all of you. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Let's look at. See, GIFT Nifty is indicating a flat start. 508 पे है, 485 पे बंद हुआ था. So flat to positive bias is what we are seeing. I am still concerned with Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty में strength नहीं दिख रही अभी तक. It has to move out. 600, 52 600 से ऊपर जाना चाहिए बैंक निफ्टी को. and then it can hit 800 or so, and that is where the resistance is. Maybe we see it today. I don't know. Today is Bank Nifty expiry anyway. Karthik, thank you so much for your compliments. All credit goes to a good friend. I'm lucky and blessed to be having some very nice people around me who are very happy to help me, and I cannot thank them enough. गुड मॉर्निंग ऋत्विक. ओके सो दिस इज इट. और कल का आपने देखा है टाइम साइकिल पे. उसके बाद व्हेन द टाइम बिकेम फेवरेबल द अप मूव केम, ऑल्दो इट वाज अराउंड 11:45, बट फिर भी अप मूव तो था. आज कोई टाइम साइकिल टाइम नहीं है, सो वी हैव टू वी डू नॉट हैव दैट सपोर्ट टुडे. 14.06 is the India VIX. Dow is down. Dow Jones Futures is also down. Normally, I don't check this, but I'm just reading it out just for the heck of it. 9:07. Any moment, we will get the pre-open rates. Good morning, Ravi. Good morning, Rekha. Rafiq, good morning. थंबनेल अच्छी लग रही है? ऑडियो वीडियो क्लियर आ रही है? ओके. Pre-open rates. Any moment now. आ गए. ऊपर है भाई. 24,459. 24,459 मीन्स गैप अप खुल रहा है. बहुत अच्छी बात है. गैप अप तो खुल नहीं था, लेकिन और बैंक निफ्टी 52,528 अभी भी वीक है. अभी भी उसमें दम नहीं आ रहा. इट हैज नॉट opened even above yesterday's high. It's opening somewhere here. Okay, you can probably now see it better. I'm zooming in. So this is where Nifty is opening up, 24,459. Yesterday high was 24,443. My sense is खुलते ही it may probably correct a little bit. It will fill this gap. This is what I'm sensing. So you'll probably need to be careful. We'll see in the 3 minute charts. We will see in the 3 minute charts. नौ बज के 10 मिनट प्री ओपन डेट्स आ चुके हैं. हाउ विल द डे पैन आउट? My sense is it may open and move down a little bit, fill the gap at least, and then probably will go higher. Let's see. These are our 3 minute charts. Guys, I'm working on a comprehensive indicator which will have everything that we use. And I will take a special session on explaining how to use that. Would that be relevant? Rishi, good morning. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the pleasant to eyes things. Thank you. Thank you. We'll do that soon. Almost in the process of finalizing it. I think July में आपका you will get that. Everyone from the elite group will get it complimentary. Elite group is all the participants of the coaching program up to now. Thank you, Rishi. You are very humble. Rekha, what I'm saying is if we have a gap up in the morning, this gap may get filled pretty soon. You notice this Nifty is likely to start around 24459. This is the pre-open, but the close is here. So this is the small gap that it may create in the morning, which is likely to get filled. This is what I'm saying. How does Nifty look across time frames? This is a layout that I would recommend, strongly recommend everyone to have. I don't know why it goes into black mode automatically. My system settings are also light, but for some strange reason, TradingView has been acting up. It is on light, but for some reason it is still showing black anyway. To be done, debugging to be done later. Same with Nifty Bank. इसका अपना माइंड है एक कोई. This is Bank Nifty across daily, hourly, 15 minutes and 5 minutes. And this is Nifty daily, hourly, 15 minutes and 5 minutes. So Rekha, 24417 is where it closed yesterday and it is likely to open at 24459. So this is the gap that it is likely to create in the morning. This is what I'm saying. It may get filled up today immediately on open. May. Let's see. 9:14, few seconds left. Time for time for opening. Stand by. Let's see where it opens. 4:59 is the pre-open. Where will it open? It opened at 4:59, but it has, as you see, it's filled this gap. It's filled the gap and it is moving down, led by Bank Nifty. These are our 3-minute charts for the morning trades. The direction at this moment seems to be down, but will it find a support? 525495 के आसपास शायद सपोर्ट मिल सकता है. Nifty is also going down. That is interesting. Remember, I said we need a dip, some kind of a correction for the further up move. लेकिन ये तो this is too small a correction. Okay, so if it doesn't stop here, it can take support at 24434, where you can consider buying in case it finds some kind of a base. No change in positional view. Positional view is still buy on dips. So whenever you're getting the dips, you can buy. Three fifty, 24, 350 to 400 is a good support zone, in my opinion, as it looks right now. 402 is this pivot as well. So from from here, 350 approximately here, yeah. From here to here is a good buying zone, but do not be in a hurry to buy. The challenge is we lose patience and we want to just get into the market. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. You have to have a very solid patience. Let it come down. Let it come down. Alternately, you can consider Bank Nifty puts. Entirely up to you, your call. It's breaking out of a range, and as expected, it is going down. I can see a possible move right up to 52350. अब ये जैसे जैसे it will rise, one can consider a put, Bank Nifty put, because Bank Nifty is the one that is leading the fall. First 3 minutes done, and we are seeing some kind of a pause here. Let it decide. If it breaks this further, 350 is what I'm seeing. 350 means the entire swing is complete. यहाँ पे है 350. Okay. And before that, we have 297 or 300. So 350 could be the first target, and उसके नीचे 300 could be the next target. So 350 is already there. 329 has been reached. 370 reached. आ रहा है. Positional, no change in view. This is just the 3 minute chart for the morning scalps. Anyone who's clocked some points, please share how many points have you been able to capture. थोड़ा शेयर करिए, बताइए आपने क्या किया है. 40 points, morning trade, Rituraaj champion, very good. बहुत बढ़िया यार. Morning कई डिप है. Nifty reaching near 200 EMA in 3 minutes time frame can find support. और आज का लो 311 है, 52311 for Bank Nifty. At most, on an immediate basis, I see a move up to 297 or 300, and from there a possible bounce. It may have also found a support right now. Let's see. से आपको दो कैंडल मिली हैं, उसके अंदर आपको एक अच्छा खासा मूव मिल गया है. What was the move? The move was from this high to the current low. The move is 295 points. 300 पॉइंट का मूव मिल गया आपको। और क्या चाहिए आपको यार, सारा दिन बैठे रहते हो कंप्यूटर के सामने। मॉर्निंग ट्रेड्स आर द बेस्ट। 107 पॉइंट्स इन बैंक निफ्टी पुट्स, व्हाट अ लूट यार ऋषि, लूट लिया आपने। 150 पॉइंट्स अमित, क्या बात है। अरे भैया तोड़ रहे हो आप लोग। इलीट ग्रुप जिंदाबाद। बस थोड़ा थोड़ा एक्यूमुलेट करते रहो, नो सेकंड ट्रेड। जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस, नो सेकंड ट्रेड आफ्टर यू हैव मेड योर मनी, खत्म। आज का दिन खत्म, गेट बिजी विद समथिंग एल्स। चार्ट्स देखो लेकिन ट्रेडिंग टर्मिनल को बंद कर दो। सुरेश कैप्चर्ड 122 इन बैंक निफ्टी पुट्स, अमेजिंग यार। आप तो सिक्स्थ बैच के होने के बाद भी इतने बढ़िया कैप्चर कर रहे हो यार, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। अच्छा लगता है देख करके, इट्स ए वेरी सेटिस्फाइंग फीलिंग। आई थिंक इट विल probably come again to somewhere here, 24429, which means Nifty, Bank Nifty can also drop further. Anywhere between 350 and 250 is what is possibility. But remember now RSI is oversold. So it can either stay here for some time or it can give a bounce. अभी तक अप मूव नहीं है। I'm talking exclusively for the morning scalps, morning trades. Positional view is still strong, buy on dips. People confuse, they said you're saying sell on rise, then you said buy on dips. You see, it depends upon what is your position. If you're taking a positional view, it's a buy on dips. If you're taking a morning view of the first 15 minutes or morning trade, then it is sell on rise. RSI is now looking up. Bank Nifty can correct up to 495, 500, can bounce back up to this level if it finds some strength, or will it take rejection at 431? Let's see. Nifty is showing some weakness. Bank Nifty is rebounding. Both RSIs are in oversold zone. Okay, 22, 27. हिमांशु कैप्चर्ड 58 पॉइंट्स, क्या बात है यार, गजब। एक बार आप पॉइंट्स कैप्चर करना सीख गए ना, देन नंबर ऑफ लॉट्स डज नॉट मैटर। योर फोकस शुड नॉट बी ऑन एमटीएम, इट शुड बी ऑन नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स कैप्चर्ड, and that will change, make a huge change in your psychology. Huge change in your psychology. Just think away from MTM and the money. Think in terms of how many points captured. It will work like magic. Sandeep captured 42 points. Very good. तो मतलब टेक्निक समझ में आ गया ना, तो उसके बाद बहुत आसान है। एवरी डे यूर डन इन 15 मिनट्स, फर्स्ट 15 मिनट्स। संदीप नो मोर ट्रेड्स, बस हो गया आज का। एवरी वन हुज मेड मनी, जस्ट एंश्योर दैट देर इज नो फर्दर ट्रेड। Close your trading terminal and keep enjoying the charts. On the spot, what are we seeing? We are seeing correction up to. Look at this here. Look at this. Where is it taking support? Elite Group knows exactly what these two levels are. 24386 in spot. ओके। निफ्टी का आज का चार्ट पैटर्न 1 घंटे का ये बता रहा है कि देर इज पॉसिबली मोर फॉल टू कम, पॉसिबली। It is right now trading at 24422, and we may see some more fall, even if it means it goes down to 392 or 375 or even 342. But there is more fall likely. Let's see. A new all-time high has been made, 24,461. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the up move and the positional view. Hmm. Okay, all of you who are done with your morning trades, so that I can disturb you now, please do remember to click on like and share this link with your friends and network. Thank you so much in advance. बहुत बढ़िया महेश, 150 points in Bank Nifty. Superb, superb. So happy for you. Sonal lost 50 points, entered late. Yeah, so this is important to understand the correct entry. But 50 points is okay. As long as you are within the limits, it's fine. Just find out if you have any SL buffer left, in which case you may consider the second one only up to the SL. Otherwise, it's okay. Just close the terminal. That's fine. Lose less, gain more. That's the motto. I'm planning a session at 12 noon for the elite group. Please remember to join in. You know where to join. And, and compliments to Sonal, because it takes a heart to confess that you have lost points. And this is important, only then you learn. If you do not share your red or green, everybody wants to share the green, but nobody wants to talk the red. Be candid in whichever way you have captured or lost the point, so that I know how to help you. Please remember to click on like and share in your network. Thank you so much. Some people who are normally there, आज वो दिख नहीं रहे हैं. If you haven't said hello to since morning, it's the right time to say hello. अरे भाई, अभी स्ट्रेंथ नहीं आई है मार्केट में. डोंट वरी, डू नॉट थिंक ऑफ बाइंग एनी कॉल्स राइट नाउ फॉर द मॉर्निंग. Let the morning moves play out. Let the index settle. 9:30. Time for morning trades over. Daily में consistent up move. Hourly में it's an outside bar indicating confusion. And same in 15 minutes and 5 minutes. But 5 minutes will start showing some kind of a trend. It is too early right now, but let's see. अभी तो it will consolidate here, and maybe it will take one dip up to this green line, which is 24,430, and then probably consider enough move. ऐसा लग रहा है. And if Nifty comes down to here, Bank Nifty would also probably come down a little bit. Don't sit in the hope trades. If you're not got your points in the three candles of 3 minutes, exit out. Irrespective of profit or loss, exit out. क्योंकि momentum loss हो चुका है. As buyers, we need momentum. And the entry and exit has to be precisely as per that second, otherwise, it's gone. You enter late, you miss it. You exit late, you miss it. Nifty has started putting the pressure on the downside a little bit. Let's see. Right now, consolidating here in 5 minutes charts, similar. Morning trend is negative and it has still not turned positive. Pramod, thank you. No, I noticed your hello, yeah. Thank you. Now there are some others who I normally see. या तो वो आज है नहीं है या maybe they are silent. So I just wanted to encourage everyone to say hello. Pramod, what's your catch today? Yeah, I know. Thank you. Missed it in red? No problem. How many points in red? You see, it is finding it difficult to break into the first 3 minutes range, Nifty. Unless it breaks back into the range, it may fall to this level once again. And if it goes up to in the range, it may find resistance at 465 or 474, these two lines. $933. Ideally, all your trades should have been done by now. For the ones who are not part of the elite group, if you want to learn how to execute morning trades in a very simple manner, you've seen people catch 50 to 100, 150 points easily and be done with the day within the first 15 minutes. You need to be more regular on the live if you're not part of the elite group. यहाँ पे भी कुछ ना कुछ सीख के निकलेंगे आप. Okay, when did you get into the trade, Pramod? Okay, it's moving down. 918. Okay, लगता है मार्केट आपकी बात सुनने वाला है. थोड़ा सा नीचे और आ जाएगा. Just ensure that your stop losses are in place. Do not lose beyond what you know is our limit. Loss is okay. In fact, 50% of my trades go in loss and it's just fine. But the balance 50%, उसमें बात बात बन जाए वाला गाना बज जाता है. Bharat, noted, but it's not going to happen anytime very soon. I need a break and I'm enjoying my break. I'm catching up with friends, a lot of old time friends, meeting people and enjoying during the day. I generally go out for meetings in the day. Whenever that happens, you will get to know it here as well as on the Telegram. I believe everyone is on the Telegram here. If not, if not, then you need to be part of the Telegram. This is the Telegram link, just in case you are not aware. All I was so busy with all of you, I forgot to update the morning pre-open price in the Telegram. But market में negativity नहीं है. It is only a morning dip, and this is necessary for the further up move. You cannot keep going vertically up. That doesn't work. So financial services, banks, and service sector are on a slightly weaker side once again. But FMCG and Nifty Next 50 is again on a positive break. We are seeing some good shares in auto, FMCG, fertilizer, metals, um, reality doing pretty well. Good morning, Divakar. Thank you. भाई अगर आप हेलो कर दोगे ना सुबह सुबह आकर के तो अच्छा लगता है. Bank Nifty can attempt to reach 478 here or 503, but that's about all. उसके बाद again there could be a small down move. Today's Bank Nifty expiry, so be careful. Um, be careful. Do not jump to taking unnecessary trades. What is HDFC Bank doing? HDFC Bank in 1 hour is closing below, is trading below 200 EMA, which isn't a good news, but it is taking support at 1624, the crucial level. That is good news. So let us see. But all moving averages, super trend, इन सब के नीचे है अभी. So this is the final hope for HDFC Bank, and we all know what will happen if HDFC Bank cracks down. सारा मार्केट एक तरफ, HDFC बैंक एक तरफ. Reliance is at support, good. ICICI Bank is also at support. So is Infosys Bank. So all looks good. There is nothing to panic. Bank Nifty, HDFC Bank has to just start trading above this on the hourly chart, above this level of 1633, and we are fine. इस स्विंग को ऊपर कर लेते हैं so that we get the right levels. Okay. Okay, looks like the base is made. It is now trying to, Nifty is now trying to move up. I have closed my BTST put that I'd taken. Almost 100 points captured. अच्छा है. ये in Punjabi there is a word called junga. कि जुंगे में मिल गया, फ्री में मिल गया. 3rd July gap. 3rd July gap, Rutvik. Uh, which time frame are you referring to? 3rd July gap. 3rd July is, what did you say? Bank Nifty, 3rd July. 3rd जुलाई में कौन सा गैप था और किस टाइम फ्रेम की बात कर रहे हो आप? Oh, here. Okay. Yeah, you're right. It closed it. If you see, the best way to figure out it has closed the gap or not is to plot a rectangle box like this. ये रहा, and extend it further. Ruthvik has spotted this. As you can see, this gap is closed, and this will act as a support now for the up move. Nifty is 461 is now the all-time high. Remember these levels. I think you will now remember what I said. I said 24467 is the next resistance, और आज का हाई है 24461. I mean 6 points. और क्या चाहिए आपको यार एक्यूरेसी में? 473. यहाँ पे जब भी आएगा तो चांसेस हैं कि इट में फाइंड रेजिस्टेंस. So there are intermediate levels on the top which are now likely to act as resistance. So dips will be bought and the move will be up to here. So the best is to buy places like this and sell at places like this if you're doing intraday. Got it, Rutvik. I got it. I was able to spot it, and thank you for the information. The market is at no man's land right now. Bank Nifty remains weak as expected. RSI is also indicating 37 and 15 minutes time frame. Nifty has started correcting in terms of RSI now in sub 60 level. Hourly chart pay, it is strong 63. Bank Nifty still remains weak. Bank Nifty has been a cause of concern. I don't know if you noticed my video last night trade plan. I think I referred to Nifty by mistake. It is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty उस serious चने की तरह है who doesn't smile. So anytime Bank Nifty starts giving us the strength, we start doubting its real intention. Bank Nifty by default 80% of the time you will find good in terms of down move. But when a Bank Nifty is aggressively positive, you start wondering, is this an end of a trend or what? Why is Bank Nifty becoming so happy and positive? So Bank Nifty is that person who typically doesn't smile often, and when he or she smiles, then you start wondering, all well, तबीयत तो ठीक है इसकी. I think theoretically I'm expecting the Nifty to touch 375 sooner if not later. 375, okay, आ गया है ये. And if this breaks, we are going to 24,342. If this breaks, which is great news for adding positional longs. You cannot buy mid-air. कल कुछ लोगों ने बैंक निफ्टी कॉल्स लेके गए थे या बैंक निफ्टी कॉल्स लेके गए थे. बैंक निफ्टी कॉल तो आई एम नॉट एट ऑल हैप्पी टू सी एनीवन बाइंग बैंक निफ्टी कॉल्स. इट डजंट वर्क. मतलब मेरे हैप्पीनेस से क्या मतलब है यार. एंड ऑफ द डे इट शुड गिव यू मनी. It's not giving gonna give you money. And Nifty calls at this stage when it is already super hot, you have to give it time to cool down. Desperation और फोमो में पैसा नहीं बनता यार. आई एम नाउ एक्सपेक्टिंग इसका लो कितना आ गया है. 367. 367. It can take support. If it breaks before below, let's say 350, आज का low. If it starts trading below 350, then there is a good chance it will go to this level. 350 is somewhere here. Actually बहुत close levels हैं ये. बहुत. They'll make a lot of difference on your on your MTM. Is 375 the support Nifty was looking? This is the India VIX. Consistently for the last. At this stage, it does not look like we have found a bottom. There is a further down move possible as it looks like, but it will be painfully slow. So if you're sitting on a put, God bless you because बहुत तंग करेगा, बहुत तंग करेगा. So I always look at, is it worth being in that trade or not? So I'm happy to lose some points rather than waiting and wasting my whole day in front of the computer. Very likely we should see 24 342 जो अभी तक देख के लग रहा है. और उससे पहले intermediate level is 24 362. They are very close levels, but this is how it's likely to pan out. 24 342 or let's say 24 350 broad level is the place where if we see the right price action, that is the time we could consider a call, adding a call or buying a new call position. Anyone else made some points, got some points? किसी और ने बनाया? Plus or minus, it is okay. Please share. Please share your trades. If you were in a BTST, if you were, and if you have closed the position, what is your plus and minus? आप मुझे नहीं बताओगे तो मैं आपकी कैसे हेल्प कर पाऊंगा. I genuinely want to help you guys in terms of your understanding the market, I can help you if I understand what your trade has been so I can identify the precise area of concern. Anshuman, are you there? Ravi, what's the update? Pramod, any? Okay, okay. Pramod, any update? The move should seems to be in your favor if you are in Bank Nifty put. I think the opportunity probably is around the level that I just mentioned. 42 points red. How come? You were in Bank Nifty put, right? Acha, it hits SL. Okay. So you need to refine your entry and exit. That's it. Simple. Because the move is on the downside, and I think you're in Bank Nifty puts. Yeah. So it's just a matter of identifying where to enter. We'll discuss it in the day today. Noon call. Anshuman, thank you for your message. यार हेलो कर दिया करो यार मालूम तो पड़े आप हो and I look forward to seeing you today noon call Anshuman Pramod everyone Ravi down move continuing by the way 9:45 हो चुका है and morning trade time is over as we are seeing a support around this level 24,431 on futures for spot. The reference will now shift to spot 24,342 is what I would look for. Oh, wait a minute. The reference has changed because there is a new high today. There it is. Wow, 24,350. That's the level I would hazard the first entry if at all. Otherwise, I will wait for 24,314 as of the new levels because of the new all-time high today. So small change in adjustment in the levels. 24,350 is the first place where I can consider adding or initiating a long. So I'm expecting the market to correct a little more, little more. This is the first hour continuing. 350 is what is the first level and 314 or 295 यानी 300 315 के आसपास will be the actual entry. And if it breaks down below 295, then either it will have a very strong pullback ऊपर or it may be a time to exit the intraday longs, not positional longs, intraday longs. However, if we manage to stay above 24,387, जो ये है, then the longs can be added basis price action इसके ऊपर 24,387. If we look at in the multi time frame chart, 24,387, that's the low of the first 15 minutes broadly. If the price action supports, then the addition can be done above today's high, ideally. बट आज की डेट में मूव बहुत ज्यादा लगता नहीं मेरे को मिलेगा बिकॉज बिटवीन बिटवीन 350 एंड 461 that is likely to be the range today. Higher high pattern continues in Nifty daily charts. Dips will be bought. Dips will be bought. Anything lesser than 330 on a closing basis will not be good for up move. So as long as we are closing above 330, all is well. And the dips will be bought closest to 330. 350 is an ideal buying range. It may not go down to 330. If it goes down to 330, we have to just wait for the close above 330. Sorry. So on a 5-minute chart, this seems to be forming some kind of a base, but there is no confirmation as yet. Morning trend is negative. Positional trend is still positive. Morning trend is negative and it can fall a little bit more up to 350 levels or so. Three 373. Morning low is 367. Trading near the low. Will it form a base around this level? Anshuman, I would like to understand your trade today. ORB in Nifty, I'm not sure what exactly you're talking about. Are you talking about Nifty puts? Raghavendra, good morning. Bank Nifty 50 points on put side, done for the day. Well, good, but आपने सुबह सुबह क्यों नहीं हेलो किया यार? आपके पॉइंट्स बन जाते हैं उसके बाद हेलो करोगे यार? नहीं यार, ऐसा मत करो। सुबह सुबह हेलो करो तो ज्यादा पॉइंट बन जाएंगे। Amal, Bank Nifty put took 37 points SL. I understand. Don't worry. This is a small loss. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Quite manageable. Congratulations for keeping the loss under limits. बहुत बढ़िया. Rekha captured 60 points in Bank Nifty put. Very good. See, it's all about. See, it's very clear. Bank Nifty put would have given you lots of money, lots of money. And in retrospect, I can tell you, um, Bank Nifty 24. मैं अगर आपको बताता हूँ 24, सॉरी, यहाँ पे कहाँ खुला था ये? 52,467. Let's say if you had a 52,800 की put. I'm just giving a random example. It could be anything, but I can explain you in a random example. Now this is 52,800 put. Look at where it started. This is 1 hour chart. Look at where it started. It started around 575 and it has made a high of 769. दिख रहा है ना ऊपर यहाँ पे? I can show it in a more elaborate manner here. ये देखिए. It opened at 575. That was around. It's very near the low, and it has made a high of 769. So it's all about understanding when to enter. So if you have made loss in a bank nifty put, what you need to fine tune in your trading is the entry point and exit point, nothing else. This is why I say ki if you're sharing your loss with me, then I'll be able to help you in terms of identifying where to, how to correct your mistake. फ्री में बता रहा हूँ यार. कोई आपको पर्सनली तो बताता नहीं है आजकल. I had taken this trade on BTST. I made, I closed my trade when it was higher above. अभी भी see it has gone down. So इसके target पूरे हो गए हैं. It has completed the entire 100% of the move from here to here almost. And अगर इसको, if it breaks this, then the next target will be 877. But होगा नहीं होगा बहुत difficult है कहना. It's very difficult to say. 357, 356, 355, बहुत बढ़िया. It is coming very close to whatever we have been talking about. Interesting. मंडे कब था? ये मंडे है ना? This is Monday. Okay. And this is Tuesday. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, we'll discuss this later in the day. I've just noticed something. यार निफ्टी की पुट क्यों ले रहे हो यार? आप निफ्टी में दिख रहा है स्ट्रेंथ है, आप निफ्टी की पुट क्यों लेते हो अंशुमन? यार मुझे समझ नहीं आता, आप कब समझोगे आप लोग? निफ्टी का RSI 56 है यार, निफ्टी स्ट्रांग है. पैसे देगा, मैं मना नहीं कर रहा हूं, बट आपको बैंक निफ्टी ज्यादा पैसे देके जाएगा. एनीवे इट इज अप टू यू, योर मनी, योर ट्रेडिंग स्टाइल. 20 साल से यार बाल सफेद हो गए यार ट्रेड करते करते. Okay, so Nifty has finally reached this level of 24,350 की जगह 24,351 लगा गया है निफ्टी. This is the possible entry point, but this does not mean it will not fall further. It may go down to 314, 295 also. But level achieve हो गई है जो लिखी थी. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think it's time now to close this live. राघवेंद्र, ये आपकी गट फीलिंग है, may or may not happen. So I do not trade basis that. There are other parameters that I look at, so which are more tried and tested. What you're saying also is fine. It's just that there are more scientific things that I work on. आपने आपके सामने देखा है 350 लेवल कैसे आया है. You just saw it right now. We just plotted three. We just edited the level basis, the new high and the new level of 350. You just saw how it hit 350. Those are scientifically done levels. So that is how I trade. Anyway, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for your time. Hopefully, you have learned something today. Uh, and everyone who's made money, congratulations. And if you have lost money and if you have been within the limits, great, phenomenal control. Congratulations once again. Thank you for everything. See you at 12 noon elite group. You know where to join. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.